today we're gonna be testing them out and opening them.
But first, before we do that, we have some of the most high quality Pringles you'll ever see. And by that I mean Wendy's Baconator Pringles from CVS.
You forgot your jazz hands.
Those don't smell good. I must
Smell like
say.
ketchup.
They smell
It
weird.
smells like
Ew,
meatloaf.
wait,
Or
mine
ketchup.
I want a different one. It's my ketchup.
Like straight meatloaf.
I hate meatloaf.
It smells like meatloaf, but also like the dill pickle Pringles. Like this,
A
like-
little like bit of both, you know. Like.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
It tastes like bacon.
Ew.
I need water.
Today we have 3 packages. None of us know what they are. It could be literally anything.
I got it, bro. Wait, it looks like it sounds like a bouncy ball, like in a box. Wait, am I gonna break it if I do that?
The package is very deceiving. Oh, Jamin was smart. He crossed out his address.
Things.
Oh,
One of those
like,
things that you like put in water and then it like turns into something.
The dinosaur.
Oh, like a dinosaur ball, a dinosaur ball.
2000s
I'd be so
nostalgia.
happy.
I know, right?
Oh.
Instant underpants.
Just add
Oh my gosh!
Then the cube.
Not like the dollar
Yeah.
store.
Yeah.
That's probably what's
From
good.
my
The door-
childhood, the
the door-
kaleidoscope.
All right, do we have something to put them in?
You're kidding me.
What?
This is very small.
What's the
How is that supposed to fit someone? Wait, let
Ew, I see the waistband. Look. We get
Wait, try to. No.
Yo.
Big brain.
It's actually a taser.
Wait, that's cute.
It's a cute little dog.
Oh,
Useless
I know what
box.
this is.
Oh, it's
I'm
the puzzle box.
Very unsettled.
It's gonna pop it open.
Oh, the
The
useless
second
box.
package.
It's very useless without batteries. Like it's even more useless than the uselessness that it was
Wait,
advertised as. Put it together. That's
Oh,
what-
yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that
heavy.
sounds like bro. I feel like this is just like
something stupid.
Useless.
a board game or like a box.
Address.
That's against you.
Oh my gosh.
Jamin Murray lives
No,
at.
no.
Here.
What is it?
Throw.
Oh, we had
On
We throw a
top.
burrito.
that.
You open it.
That's a.
Oh.
It's literally
Open it on top of Jenna. Unbox.
It's a god and then
A diaper.
oh no.
Is that a little?
That's horrible.
Are they
It
gonna
looks like
stretch?
toilet paper.
Cover of it.
I don't think I
Amen.
put it on the wrong side. I put it on.
Does it matter?
I don't think it does.
How have you forgotten? Wait, you're so bad. You ripped your underpants. Need backup? Well, here you go.
It's the instant undie.
They're nice
Just-
and they're
just
nice
add
and
water.
sheer.
What do we rate the instant
I gave it a 10 out of 10
Oh,
just
yeah.
for the style.
Give it an 8.
A 6.
You like doubled it up and put it on like a 2-year-old, maybe they would.
We're back to the very useless box anyway. I'm just gonna flip the little switch that says
That's it.
push. Am I supposed to like
That's it.
a solid 2?
10. A 10.
2. Because that's looking kind of fascinating.
Yeah, I'm done.
Burrito duel.
See enough. I'm gonna hit you with this.
If
Okay.
for some reason you can't fit them anyway,
This is fine.
the important thing is that no cheating cheetah students can get to one of them.
We should just go outside and hit each other with this. That's what does my life come to?
Wait.
Still wearing the underpants? You still wearing the underpants?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. They're so cute.
10 out of.
Make sure to subscribe, like,
Yeah.
turn on
Put some
notifications.
will.
See ya later.